Hey Capricorn, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my channel. I'm Love. This is Love Touches. Alright, so for this relationship reading, take what resonates, leave what does not. Alright, we starting out with the Five of Swords. And this is the Page of Pentacles, the Sun card reverse, the Chariot reverse, the Five of Pentacles, the World card reverse, the Knight of Swords reverse, the Queen of Cups reverse, and then the Knight of Pentacles reverse. So, some of you are withdrawing, or you withdrawn from communication with someone. Okay. Some of you may be sad about this. Okay, or the other party is sad, right? Mm-hmm. This was the happy place over here. Okay, there was some fear that was attached to this connection. Someone could have Sagittarius. Excuse me. Someone could have Sagittarius in their chart, or they could have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in their chart. Right? Um, some of you could be feeling lost in some kind of a way with in regards to love. Dealing with the situation on the dealing with the situation on the top of the deck here, the Lover's card reverse. Okay, this is your relationship reading. So with the Lover's card reverse, okay, someone could feel like they chose the wrong lover, okay, or they lost someone. But I just feel like, okay, fear, apprehension, okay, fear of what? Fear of happiness, okay? Um, Someone's used to the gloom and doom. I want to say used to it, okay? There's something that's unsuccessful here. The Chariot card reverse. Um, Something's not moving forward, even though there seems to be some type of dedicated effort. Okay, but it's like a stalemate. There's a butting of heads, a difference of love languages. Okay, one individual. Okay, it's something about um, stimulating communication or communication altogether. Okay. And then the other, gifts and money. Okay, or this is the way someone tries to control the dynamic of a relationship here. Girl, hush your face. Okay. Yeah, a lot of love bombing. Saying all the right things. Could be playing mind games. Saying the things that you want to hear, or you're doing this to someone. Difficult communicating. There's something about seeing something. A parent, seeing, seeing the way something's done. It's like there's war and love here. War. There's a war, a battle when it comes to love, or when it comes to, okay, what you guys want. Okay. Okay, something is definitely not moving forward, or there's been a failed marriage. Someone could be conflicted in a decision due to a failed marriage, okay, in the past, okay, or something that's just not moving forward, you know. Um, it could be a water sign involved, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces as well. Some of you are definitely not moving forward with the Cancer. Some of you may be having issues with a Leo. I said Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So it could be another Capricorn, but another Earth sign. Okay. Air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay. So I have notes as well. I have letters first and foremost. FP. F is in frog. P is in Paul. B is in boy. L is in Larry. V is in Victor. Z is in zebra. J is in John. T is in toy. Okay. So the notes I have here for you, Capricorn. Someone could be feeling left out. Okay. Feeling left out by someone who you view as kind, caring, and intuitive, or you're the loving and caring, kind, intuitive person who's left someone in the cold. Okay? Cut it out. Okay? You both may find it difficult to communicate your love languages. Okay? Someone is controlling through way with words. Manipulative, controlling by way with words and money. I'm also getting creative blockages for you guys, financially and mentally. Okay. A child that may be emotionally and psychologically delayed is just that. Okay, delayed. Okay. With proper love and nurturing, of course, patience. Okay, they will learn to develop the skills that they need to move them forward. Okay, so it's just some delays. Yeah, that could be a fear for some of you. For some of you, this is a stagnant time in love, or when it comes to relationships. Okay. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. I hope you can hear me. So anywho, someone's love is based off materialism. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, it's almost like materialism, gifts and money. Yeah, someone is very creative when it comes to the way they communicate. You may see someone this way, or you may be this way. Okay, someone around you. Okay, it's causing conflict. It's barriers, blockages. Okay, but it could also be random bills. Well, yep, and then this is the season to have to pretty much put out financially. Okay. So there definitely could be some type of difficulties. For some of you in a relationship, there's difficulties with finances. There could be arguments about finances and decisions, or who's going to make what decision, who's going to pay what. Okay. Someone is manipulative and controlling when it comes to money, or something like this. I'm frugal, cheap. Something seems okay. And children are involved. children are involved, but there's someone who's loving and caring, who loves you or you love them, with this Queen of Cups being here. But it's difficult. It's difficult to communicate or understand. Someone has a change of heart, I feel. Some of you or someone else wants to invest. There hasn't been any action taken. Someone is fearful of rejection or doesn't know how to explain. Is finding it hard. Someone finds something love hard or difficult or something like this. Okay? Period. I'm getting after loving all of the wrong. It's not funny. You know. After even making a lot of wrong investments. Okay, maybe that is a fear. That is a fear of someone. Okay, you or someone else's Capricorn that you're this that you'll invest in the wrong individual. Okay, so some of you could be dealing with a gold digger. I'm saying, someone could be masking the way they truly feel with love, masking it, masking. Okay. I love you too. And my daughter says that right before she does something that she probably shouldn't. No joke. So it's I love you can be a manipulation tactic. Like I said, someone saying all the right things. Okay, and so we got the Nine of Cups. Okay, so this is feeling fulfilled, okay, emotionally fulfilled. Yeah, it could be an emotionally fulfilling connection also. Okay. Or some of you have a lot of love to offer, or someone has a lot of love to offer. It could also be a lot of, a strong emotional connection bond also is the way I'm getting it. Okay, this is definitely what I'm getting it. This is what I'm getting. Because the ninth house deals with, right, philosophy. Let me see here. As a matter of fact, I have it in front of my face, the ninth house, because this is the Nine of Cups, not the Ten of Cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is the Nine of Cups. So, but it is water. So some of you still, it could be associated with Sagittarius as well. Excuse me. So the ninth house has to do with the transmission and exchange of important information between you and in the world. Okay? One aspect of this is travel and everything that helps you travel. Travel that broadens your understanding of the world, or that you allow to exchange ideas with many different people. Okay, that could have been a typo, but I read it correctly. So other ways to learn. Okay, what else? The communications ruled by the ninth house are about sharing college level thinking, expert advice, historical facts, philosophy, cultural anthropology, cartography, and a research of all kinds. The ninth house also has to do with justice, okay, which is not the same thing as the laws of the seventh house. Justice requires that you apply law with the wisdom and truth that the ninth house rules. Justice should not be blind. So due to someone being blind to the fact of something, okay, it was either you or your person, okay. Someone was blind to the fact, okay, of like I said, them choosing. I don't know the decision that they made, right? Okay. Someone wasn't seeing things properly. Okay, this justice is definitely, it won't be blind. Okay, is what I'm getting. Okay, but this justice is not blind. Someone is feeling left out in the cold, or really frustrated and low. Okay, when it comes to money. Yeah, finances for the most part. Thinking straight. Someone even could have a hard time thinking straight. Okay, I don't know. This person, the Queen of Cups, even it could be someone. This person could have given you something. It's supposed to be someone who heals, is healing, loving, and caring. But like I said, someone has been masking whoever this that you're not moving forward with. You know why, but they have been masking their true intentions. I'm getting, cut it out. Cut it out. Okay. I don't know. I get to get whatever it is that they want. Is what I'm getting. Okay. Masking their true intentions with love. And look what came out twice. Hush it up, girl. The Sun card reversed. So someone is very cold. Someone is very cold and callous. Okay. Or a connection has just gone cold. Okay. You maybe some of you feel like someone loves. Okay, something going on. Someone is being deceptive though. Someone is definitely being deceptive, trying to control the situation. Like I said, it's probably gifts, through gifts and money. Even okay, playing mind games or something like this. Okay, short. Look, I'm saying short answers. Look, okay, so the Tower reverse came out, and it was a struggle actually, but that's an ending. That's definitely an ending. There has been an ending. There will be an ending. There may be some type of conflict. Okay, there could be a third party situation going on. Why something is not moving forward? Okay, because because we have this the page. Watch out! Get from over here, girl. Okay, I'm sorry. We have this Queen of Cups. We got the Page of Pentacles, and we have this Knight of Swords reverse. Okay, we can consider this Nine of Pentacles someone, but I feel like it's other individuals, like someone. I'm getting made the offer to the wrong person. Okay, I'm getting this Nine of Pentacles reverse as someone who is independent, does things on their own. Okay, self-sufficient. Actually, someone who's self-sufficient, and there was a fear when it came to this individual. It could have been, I don't know, it could be anything as far as what could have been wrong. Something, anything on the physical level, or I don't know, something like this. Okay, so let's see. But there is no joy, there is no happiness. I'm getting there is no peace, right? It's like uh, someone's not operating. Cut it out. Someone's not operating with a full day. But Ace of Pentacles here, right? See, a new fresh start. A new fresh start though. So it may be looking grim, it may be looking cold, it may be not looking so good. Yeah, right now. Okay, for either you or your person, it's not looking too good. Okay, because someone definitely was not. Yeah, someone definitely could have been being a gold digger. Okay, someone definitely could have been doing something that has something to do with sex. Um, even sex work possibly. But it's like someone's definitely here trying to confuse someone, or someone is confused on a decision that they made or that they need to make. But it's a new opportunity, or it's a window of opportunity coming in, for a new beginning. Okay, with this Ace of Pentacles though. So some of you or someone else has made a decision to make an offer. I'm getting, okay, but someone's stuck where they are, is what I'm getting. Someone is stuck where they are. Okay, look. The Queen of Cups came out upright, and then the Queen of Cups came out reversed. That is something else. Cut it out. Stop. Cut it out. Cut it out. Okay? Stop it. No, you see, you guys, did you hear her say she loved me? Did you hear her? Now this is the time that I wanted you, and she's doing the wrong thing right now. She's making the wrong decision. And so I'm getting like, okay. Yeah, someone doesn't feel like they made the wrong decision, and the decision that they made could have been based off of fear, or not knowing something, not realizing something. Um, yeah, some of you, you're learning. It's something that you're learning for the first time. Okay, some type of information. What is this about? This information. Someone could be offering some type of information. Someone could be offering healing. Okay. Medicine. Someone may not be doing so well. Someone may need medicine, may need to go to the doctor. But yeah, look at here, the Tower card reversed. Look, and then my daughter walked in here and she asked me, do I love her? See, this person, okay, they could even, it's like, okay, someone is sending mixed signals. Look, I almost couldn't get it out. Someone sending mixed signals. Yeah, someone, I don't know. Someone is dark and callous here. Some of you need to stand your ground. Somebody don't want things to end. Someone was juggling. Somebody thought they had all of the power and control over you, or you thought this. Okay, look. um, Someone could feel like they lost the person they love for the wrong person. Ooh wee. Yeah, okay. I just want to pull some more cards because I'm nosy, Capricorn. I'm sorry, it just got a little good. I hope you guys can hear me, but yeah, hear the tone of my voice. Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings though. To rebuild, the Tower card reverse. To rebuild with someone, okay, that was lost. Okay, or okay, hey, Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. For some of you, is being released. Some of you may make that decision to do so. Okay, and make an offer somewhere else where you know you'll be happy. Okay? Yeah. Because even if someone really doesn't, I'm even getting, excuse me. Yeah, someone really does not love, okay, either you or you don't really love this person, Capricorn. Oh, excuse me. Look, some cards fell that I was shuffling, so I'm gonna take these three here. So, family room, we got marriage. Ooh, it could all come down to that. For some of you, a marriage didn't work. You no longer, it's there is no love with this person. This person could still love you. Maybe, for some of you, an ex could want to reveal, try again, occupation, work on things, or you want to do this with someone. Work on things, make an offer, build. Okay, someone feels this way. Once they're rushing in, it's conflicted. I feel like fear and rejection in some kind of a way. Fearing that things are not the same, or someone doesn't feel the same, something like this. Okay, but this situation does pertain marriage in some kind of a way. Marriage is connected. The family room here is empty. Okay, so there's something going on. There's something in private. There's something. I mean, it's empty though. Hmm. So yeah, I don't know. Some of you have to make a decision if you're going to take an offer, or if you're going to make an offer. Some of you are making a decision. Yeah, you're making a decision to heal and rebuild. Um, yeah. So the choice is yours. Okay, last message. Last message for Capricorn. Let's see. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles, new offer, something can no longer be avoided. An ending can no longer be avoided. It has happened, and some of you, there's a new start, a new beginning. Okay, this could have been a connection for some of you that you've been in. It could have taught you a valuable lesson. Okay, in regards to what you value, or what's most important to you. Okay, what makes you happy, what will make you happy, who will make you happy. Okay, I mean, at the least, some of you realize this person that you guys are with, it doesn't make you happy. Okay, it's not making you happy. So yeah. Excuse me. Oh my God, you can have better communication with yourself than with someone, with this person. I mean, I just caught that energy. Okay, this is the last message. So it says life force is flowing. It says open yourself to receive the power from within. Okay? Making decisions for the wrong reasons. Yeah, it's something about making decisions for the wrong reasons, Capricorn. Okay. So that's all I have for you. Hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Namaste.